Okay, if you run into print quality issues on your TZ, you're gonna go into your maintenance and hit nozzle check, hit yes. What it's gonna do is print out a pattern like this. Okay, the top one is your section 1, the bottom is section 2. Okay, they should all be nice and solid, no missing lines or anything like that, as you can see here. If you do, when you go into maintenance, you can do print head cleaning and type cleaning, and then there's that pattern 1, pattern 2. So pattern 1's your black and matte blacks. Pattern 2 is your colors, your yellow, magenta, and cyan. Or if you have issues in both sides, you can do all colors. Okay, so run that pattern or run that cleaning and then do another nozzle check. If you still have issues, you can come in and do a deep cleaning. And same thing, you can tell it specific pattern or do all colors, let it run through that process.